Most Android phones can turn still photos into a GIF with just the native apps, and I have a video showing how to do that. But when you're using a video clip, the process suddenly gets harder. Most Android versions will push you to different video formats over GIF simply because GIF doesn't exactly have the best image quality. But if you want a traditional-looking GIF, you can easily do that with the GIPHY app. This is a free app available in the Play Store, and it's sort of the legend for anything GIF-related. You can browse trending GIFs, use the search bar to find pretty much any type of GIF you can imagine, and you can browse stickers, emojis, etc. And of course, you can create your own. I'll tap the plus icon on the bottom and the app will open my camera, which I could use if I wanted to capture something on the spot. If you have an existing video you want to use, you can tap the little gallery icon on the bottom and then choose your video. Your video gets converted to a GIF and you can add things like captions, filters, etc. Once you're happy with the GIF, you can share it. My phone tends to give me an error at first and gray out the Save GIF button, but I've learned to work around it by tapping the Upload to GIPHY button and then returning to the previous screen. Somehow, that always resolves the issue, and here I can tap the GIF to copy it and then paste to a text message or wherever. Or I can save the GIF on my phone to be used later. Once I save it, I can then find it in my file manager, and from here I could share it via text, email, or whatever. GIF files usually have less detail and lower frame rate compared to regular videos, which gives them that typical meme and reaction GIF look that you might be used to. Some people like it that way, but if you're looking to get the best image quality, you're better off using different file formats for that. And that's how you make a GIF from a video. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.